winter, metal freezes faster than anything else. When you have a tandem that is frozen, I have to shut off, lay over in a hotel. Look at the misery that we have. Here is snow, frozen ice between the metal, very hard to break. If you look at this bin, the frame have to be pulled forward. Remember here, the frame have to be pulled forward. We are on the left side of the chassis, of the trailer. The frame have to be pulled forwards and upwards. If you look at the other side, you can tell we have a problem. So this side have to be pulled forward. The other side is opposite. This side, the frame have to be pushed backwards. Pushed backward. And so another way, you got to have the nose of that tractor pulling this way, not straight forward, in order to align that miserable situation. You cannot retract these bends by straight pulling and backing or rocking. Straight rocking is not going to work. You have to rock the truck with an angle. Now turn the wheel to the right. You might have to pull forward a little bit to make an angle first. It's low temperature, we know that. So we angled the trailer, then we need to pull forward. So this side will be pulled forward, and this side will be pushed backwards. That's what I think. Sometimes it works, sometimes it never works. This is an automatic truck, a miserable truck. So automatic trucks smell the oil of the transmission when you do the high resistance horsepower pull. It's not like a stick shift, a manual where you can deliver horsepower without having to worry about burning the transmission. I did pull forward with an angle, hoping to get the pin to be released. Yes, it did. Look at that. It is from two sides, only stuck in the top. Stuck in the top means the trailer is tilted to one side. It means I have to go somewhere else on a better leveled ground. So now we released the pin from three sides. Only one side, the top, is jammed. Here it is still jammed. So I might have to to pull forward more, or I might just try to see if I can pull the handle. If not, at least I can run now. Yes, perfect. No, this is perfect. This is released. The other side is not released. You can try one more time. At least we released one. It looks smart, but sometimes it doesn't work at all. Sometimes you get stuck for 4 hours in the snow. 5 hours the whole night. Just to do it again. This is jammed. Maybe I push backwards. Well, here is the problem. The asphalt is not leveled. The asphalt is not going to help me. So I might have to find a concrete surface. Straighten the back, straighten everything. Will that do it? The asphalt is not leveled, so we are just wasting the time. Just have to wait until I get to the customer, find the concrete surface. It's hopeless. It's hopeless. That's hopeless. That is hopeless. There is no hope here because of the concrete, the asphalt. That's jammed. Both of them are jammed.